Okay, I don't know what to say. Only signal I am getting is the AMD. Okay, AMD now have a resistance in the top. The problem I'm seeing, the day level, it has a wick in the bottom. It's in the buying zone. It's a support zone. If they break here, you can easily go 195 above like 200, something like that. 195 next, 197 and 200 is a big. And if you go to downside, it may come down to R3 and then bounce again. But in the day level, I mean, if you look at 30-minute chart, it was trend down and now it's breaking the trend line. Market start selling rally, start selling. Okay. Now again, Nvidia and AMD. If I just look at R3, R4, these are like sell zone in the overall, and overall market is selling. Oh man. Nvidia can be anything. Okay.
Next one here is CoreWeave, CRWB. I forgot this.
And the same thing with Tesla. Tesla is in support zone.
CoreWeave is 78.65. The lowest one.
MU.
Bottom here. I'll go back up that to the click. That's 78. Let's do MU. MU at the moment. Previous level. MU has a little crazy. By the way, MUs. Yeah. 295.50 is the top, and the lowest end down 73.50. Good there for the top high points. Trading days. And last but not least is going to be PFC. Again, very nice on this daily. Give it a high 50 on the stock.
Amazon.
It's just below. No, it's looking something. All right, friends, that's what we have. Peter, a quick snapshot of what our friends are looking at over on chat, and then we'll be going.
Yeah, well, Andrew is going to be watching NVIDIA, EMD, PLTR, so he's sticking with a lot of the usuals. The rest of the group, well, they're watching from MSTR to CoreWeave to PLTR. I'm going to be keeping an eye on DCIG just for fun. We've also had Circle of Evidence, CRCL, that Megan's watching. She's also watching Meta. We've got a firm on Andrew's list. And that's about it.
bit of a good as we head towards the market open. So let's see what happens, guys. Be careful. We're still in a high degree of uncertainty. If you look at the
Okay. They are not able to push higher on 400. They need lots of buying. I was good at there, man. That's okay. Be calm. Okay, 400 getting rejected. But my play is R4 breakout. And target should be R6. If they break. Right now, it's not looking pushing higher with high volume. Okay. They gave me signal for. Should have taken one few more here down. Pre-market high. Take 25% out. Okay. Now, okay, you know that. Let them try, retest it, and then break higher. R6 is my target for the next 50%. Okay. There's no weakness yet. There's no weakness yet. It could be reversal. I know that. But I'm pushing for, okay.
Give you a ticket. All right, good, good. A bunch of you are smart. Don't listen to me. Do as I say, not as I do. All right, yeah, ASTS. I see that popped a little bit higher. We got a few things that are popping higher here. So PLTR is moving higher now. We got a lot of stuff. That's it. Everyone's got success on his PLTR trade. Look questionable to me, but he got it to work. So as he always does, almost always does. Yeah,
Wow.
also Nvidia bounced right
Yeah.
off the previous day close, and look at that, back up to the consolidation area. It was a pre-market. So there's a
If you go back and look at the replay around this time, you're gonna see my face look down quickly to say what the heck happened. Because I tried to go long here and my montage was locked. I didn't see the triangle. So I hit it and the triangle didn't show. So you go back, you look at my face, you're saying, what the hell's happened to Carlos? That's what's happened. I looked down quick, I'm like, why didn't the triangle show up? And the montage was locked. So I got in a nice VWAP breakout here. Wow. Can't make
which
this
one?
stuff up.
Nvidia or PLTR?
Nvidia. No, Nvidia would have been here. Nvidia.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No, I see. That's sort of one of your trades. That makes sense.
Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah. Now let's see if we can get the contender. That's from the front, right? We have a car fit here. Let's stop would have been
Yeah,
this area. Let's see if it can actually go. Because that's been a big issue, man. Actually getting it to give you that situation.
exactly. And look at the SPY right now. If you look at the SPY on a 1 minute, that
Oh,
pullback.
that's ugly.
Yeah, it's ugly. So careful if you're in a long right now. I mean, it could still go like PLTR still looks good. It didn't even react when the market dropped right there. But Nvidia did, Tesla did, Apple reacted very heavy. So we'll just see what happens here. Suddenly the perspective has soured very quickly in the last 90 seconds.
El Patron says he's probably. Yeah, no, it was shocking. I looked down, I thought I hit the wrong button at first, and I see that monetize was locked. Oh man. So shocking.
You laugh so you don't cry.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. Wow, Spies trying to break lower, breaking lower actually, and it's gonna start putting some pressure in these stickers. I actually want to go green though. If you look at all these stickers, they're up nicely. Green, Tesla, only up 10%. In here, or we dropping. So the VWAP. Month is always locked. Always locked when I'm doing pre-market show. You don't know how many times I by mistake hit like when I'm putting my list together. I'm hitting so many stuff here, by the way. Like running that show, I'm hitting all kinds of stuff. You know how many times I've done like a shift Q when I'm typing the tickers, and shift Q is a hotkey, right? So you don't wanna have that unlocked and get into a trade. And then I unlock it for the after the dark. Yeah, so montage always locked when I'm not trading. Safety first. He's getting back above the VWAP. TR is gonna go 152 coming up. PLTR is going big orders, guys, on PLTR at 152. So if you look at the Atlas, you got some nice orders up there, 15 ounces or something. Let's see if he wants to go pick that up. There's no pressure really touch the bottom. I think the only reason why it's hesitating, not the only reason, who knows, but potentially the market is putting a lot of pressure to the bottom. The chart comes to the bottom. Up your chart coming back from double bottom. It's going to 160 at least. Yeah, it's strong today, man. It really is. And I gotta say, man, this man's ability to find the one Peter, Andrew's ability to find the one is impressive. Out of all the stuff here that we have, he finds PLTR. It's the one that's running so nicely today. So it's really, really nice. You see that there? He's about to get a fill. Actually, let me show you guys. Here's the access you get if you join PPT. You're going to get filled at 152. He also has Atlas up here. There it is, 16,000 shares. All right, to dig into it, the Atlas will give you. So you see that you get in slowly, and there's just nothing down here. So let's see. Should break through here pretty nicely. There's no reason. Even with the SPY showing weakness, good TRs. Really, really nice right here. Let's see. And you're just stalling things while trading. Don't install stuff, man. Leave that alone. Do that later. You want the computer to act up on you. Don't be installing things, man.
Blink, blink if I'm kidnapped. Sorry, I'm so upset about this test. It worked exactly as I anticipated.
Yeah.
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with me? I still struggle on this open. It's amazing when you get into a trading range, like in a zone. My trades that are my signature, they're so easy. Like I can identify them, I have confidence in them. I really, really struggle. It's going great. Andrews, he's just such a smart guy. Keeps it simple. Literally has made millions of. Love it. Love it. He's strong and confident.
Uh, I mean, it's a lot of stuff coming towards the VWAP. I goes red. It can give us a good VWAP breakout. Tesla looks good. Coin is coming up to it as well. Um, so let's see. I'm watching the SPY, see if it can. Touching the previous day close right now. SPY, and if it goes red, I think there could have some good opportunities. Good VWAP.
Okay, done. No.
Like that. So, really nice. Let's see if we can get our setup. I will go short. We do get it. So let's see. That's a breakout candle. We need a pullback and then oh there it is 5 bit. It is close below. Anything else looking good like that? No. Or we just gone MU could be. Yeah. I but yeah, give it in here. Entity. What's that? Entity. Only like in the warrior think medieval time. A little short.
Pass here.
But what I'm so hesitant is the supply like is I think every 6 months not really selling on. If it shoots up, all this stuff is gonna go right to stop me out. So that's my concern with Tesla and Bitcoin right now. Buy is holding pretty well for like the last couple of minutes. So don't get that. Sorry, a little bit. Yeah, I got it. Would everyone see something? What do you want to see? Will have something for you? That why is there a 10-minute halt? So they usually do five, the first one. Then I think after a couple they might do a 10, and in some cases they might go through different times. They continues to get halted. There are different levels depending on how many times the halt is happening and how frequent it's happening. And so
Okay, no, they don't have
the the IG is being halted. Right, it's the IG. They're getting yeah, here. These are all 5 minutes right now. No, oh, it's just 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Um, yeah, halted twice was the bottom. Oh, yeah, switch around. Yeah, I got it up. I got it up. Yeah,
it.
yeah. But still, still yeah, open.
That's okay. Again, for me, my big trade. Yeah, but again, I guess it's like,
I got it. That's pretty good. Let's see. Still looking at coin, but I don't think it's. Think, that's the thing. Look at that's the actually got it. Yeah, see, it's held too long here, and look at the fake time. Pushed up on his spine. Yeah, that's actually. Gonna stop this alpha. This here above the V lab. Stop this thing. Came very close. Lauren, how you doing, AMD? You okay? Good for you. Let's see. Look at AMD. Yeah, look at this. Feeling was right on coming. I was almost sure on this. That feeling was right. That's why things heading does it's right and take that.
Oh,
Yeah. Really going down. Okay.
So, oh, so, Tesla looks weak to me. However,
Yeah.
with the order book in Atlas showing a lot of a little bit of a risk with short. Look how it came back below VWAP, tested and failed again. Now it's sitting here. It's yeah, Tesla's one though that never counted out, right? This thing could spike $2 up in a matter of seconds.
Yeah. Yeah. It really can. But wow. Looks like it wants to go here, man.
It does, doesn't it?
It looks weak. I mean, I'm not gonna chase it here, but it looks like it wants to go back and test that 394.
Still wanted to take it at 399 short now. The long was getting missing earlier. Now it looks short, but this one feels like less of a certainty than that long did. So, anyway, I'll just it's not much room. Better identify things here. So Carlos, you haven't traded yet?
Haven't traded anything yet, man.
Yeah.
But I gotta say, I would have taken coin. I would have lost money here. I would have lost. I would have probably taken maybe a partial. Who knows? Maybe not. And I would have been stopped out. And look at it go the other way. Nice.
And
Nice the other way.
And look, here's the other one. Our popcorn stock for the morning. Carlos, we have seen this
Yeah.
so many times, right? All the fun
Yeah.
happened pre-market. Since
Mhm.
the open just 20 minutes ago, it's been halt. We're in a third halt
Yeah.
of the
Yeah.
of
Helped
the
a couple
morning,
of times. Yeah. Yep.
and it's down. It's half the price it was, 45 minutes ago.
Yeah.
It's down $14, and it looks like based on the imbalance, it's likely to reopen. Well, actually, the reopening prices. Yeah, it's oh my goodness, they're looking pretty bad here. The ask, the ask is below the closing price here, so if it reopens here, yeah, it's going to reopen pretty much right where it closed. There, okay, so there it is.
The opening.
Yep, $15 is where it reopened. Reopened a little higher than expected, so let's see if we can hold it. What's the upside is 1650, downside halt is 1350. We got a $3 range.
Like showing some life, but again, you can't trust these things. It's so wild. There's showing a little bit of life here. And God, this is different.
Level up is now $17.
What turnaround on coin, guys? What a turnaround. Oh, we back above the VWAP here. Lighter bottom, the other stuff that I like a little bit more. You can see CoreWeave now is so it's here. MU, not trading so lot, just back and forth, up and down around the VWAP. Nvidia, they drop, recover. Hood took off, similar to coin. They both just took off here. Really nice. Looking forward to going back towards the high of the day, man. It is on fire. It's looking really nice. Orlando's today.
Andrew's playing PLTR very well. He added to it as it came back a little bit. Well, again, so bold. I guess when you've got a good entry, you can afford to be bold. I think he's still in PLTR.
Fuck me.
Love Carlos. I just love watching Andrew play these things so well when he has these good morning. Oh, look at
Yes, yes, yes.
Tesla. You were ranked on Tesla, Carlos. Look at that.
Yeah. Yep, yep.
Turn it.
It's
Turn it.
it worked out
Those two
really,
types
really
of,
nice.
I gotta have. I think I have to. You know what I need to do? I think I need to go back into Sim, maybe just for the opening hour, and start to trade in Sim more actively, and just get some confidence. Or maybe I just
Yeah.
reduce my size. Trade live.
Yeah,
Sim I never
reducing size works. I think that works, right? Because it's hard to go back to sim after trading live. It is difficult. I find it hard. Even like if I want to try a strategy that I know I'm not good at, like reversals, I just rather take a smaller size. You know, like literally, like I don't care, I'll take 5 shares. You know, I'd rather do it live than
Yeah.
go back to sim.
Yeah.
There's something about it. I don't know.
I have no problem doing that.
Yeah, and it's not good advice. Like you should go. I should go back to sim. I don't know. It's just hard. Yeah, that's part of it too. Yeah, the emotions are not the same. You're right. You're absolutely right. Right. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia's below the VWAP here. Trying to see if I get a good setup. Okay, so I'm not alone in that. So Demi does the same. A lot of people do the same. But yeah, it's hard to trade series on sim. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it is. Once you go on live, it's a little more difficult. Funded account could kind of bridge that gap a little bit, right? Video.
See, look, Tesla. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's
beautiful. Oh, Carlos. We're
it's
wimps.
nice.
We're wimps.
It's nice.
What we are.
Nice. 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 Um, oh, you got slow. Wow, no volume. It just came out of nowhere. It's got this beautiful pop. Um, you know what? So today was a great day, guys. There was a lot of opportunities. Um, we're not trading well today. We are not trading well. Not,
Apparently, we've lost our boldness. We've got no guts. We're
the
wimps.
cojones. Yeah, man, we're slacking here. Here's Nvidia. Nvidia. If it pulls back, 181.40, I could give it 40 cents, 181.80. Risk to reward is weird on this. Um, like we could get some resistance here, and that's not worth it. We're gonna just come here and go back up. Here is worth it. 180, very worth it. But let's try short Nvidia. Let's see if we get here, fine. But we gotta be careful. If we don't break this, then we're gonna probably get out of it. Even before a stop, like 170. So stop. If we can't break this, we'll get out of it. If we want this here, I just think this can be a problem for us. So um let's see what the momentum shows here. We're right on the spot where we bounced from before. Let's see if the momentum is good. Let's see if we continue breaking down. We're looking a little slow. Make this work. We need low. We need more. Video. Okay, so we broke that first level of resistance. Um, NVIDIA's doing this on its own too. Like if you look at the SPY is not helping it in this move down. This is of its own doing. But if the SPY can start turning lower and head towards that previous day close, it can assist us in our move here. Be aggressive. See that? Big spike there. Fish reacting. News? What news we got at this time? 181.70 is our hard stop. We won't go past that. Wow, this is big. I'm gonna get out and find it up here the other way. I'm gonna get out here.
Hello. Following is an important message from your school. To hear the message now, press 1. To place this call on hold, press.
Hello, this is a message from the attendance office.
That's incredible. No? Okay. Yeah, no, this is going to be a long one, I think.
Well, Tesla, like we said, look at that. Look at that pop right back up. $2 and
This pop gonna stick. I'm looking to see if this pop is gonna stick, and if it is, I'm trying to take something wrong here. We're doing video. Going back to our regular programming. Down. What's the situation here? Nvidia is was that it? PMI numbers? Let me see. What do we have? We have
well, yeah, sorry. Let's
ISM.
PMI did.
ISM.
I don't know that. Well, I guess it could have, but let's see here. They came out. I mean, they came out positive. I'll give this is the ISM manufacturing, non-manufacturing. Sorry, orders came out quite positive. 58.6 on the scale versus 53. I don't know. The market doesn't usually react to this stuff. The PMI came out at 945. It was lower than expected, but not by much.
I'm back short on Nvidia, guys. I'm gonna go short again. Much better entry. Let's see if we can continue with what we were doing originally here. So,
Let's get back to business.
yeah, let's get back to business. Like, let's see if we can get back to what we're doing. Back to regular programming.
Resume your previously scheduled drops, please.
Yes. Resume your direction. Let's get to business. Much better entry. I love this entry because here we can actually get something. This entry was okay, but the spine messed us up with this spine or red. Or red can be down to the previous day close. Okay, let's see here. That's exactly what I'm hoping for. At the other with the spies. If you look at the spy, look at Nvidia, it's doing the exact same thing right now. So it's a little bit the spy now wants to go back up, I guess. Nvidia was doing well, minding his business, la 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 la. Then the spy decided, like, what are you doing? let me be. Let my trade be, man. Leave me alone. Manny, so this is more of a VWAP breakdown. And I really wouldn't get back in. Like if this was just my original trade, probably wouldn't get back in. But I'm trying to continue what I had originally going here, right? So just trade the VWAP breakout. This is technically, yes, it is rejection off of VWAP. But I'll be honest, like if I did not have this trade, I probably wouldn't take a short just on this, right? I think that would have been, I think that would have been a trade I was taking. So, we'll see.
Weird. Again, I still want to take a short. It looks weak. However, again, the order book doesn't support that. It's very weird how that's in conflict. Normally, you get a little bit of support from that.
Yeah. It's gonna go again, I think. This job situation again here looks like ice trading so weird. Like if you just look at it, it's just up and down. Like it's trading so weird right now. And Tesla's Nvidia's reacting to every little thing that it does. Unfortunately. So just waiting, seeing what to do here. Looks like we want to go higher. I go for it. A little bit higher stop. The entry is much better. So I'm going for this. Like I don't want to go above 180. That's the last time we had some resistance, but looks like this guy is gonna take a move higher. He's gonna put some pressure on me here on this trade. So um 181.83-ish. Anywhere near that we want to be alive. That's the last pressure we have. But again, this is a tough level because we did this with just the market doing what it did, right? So is it a really important level coming up the on Nvidia? Who knows? There is price going higher. Rates bail on this if we hit that 181.80. What else, friends? What else we got going on? Spies making a new recent high. And if you look at this, looks so good for a VWAP breakout. Like this setup here looks actually very long. So I'm going to get out here. I would hate to flip my position, but I think that's what it's supposed for. I think this is a good round right here. And the risk reward is much better to the downside. If this pulls back, I'm going to go long. I am going to go long. Um, I did not flip my position here, which I thought about it, but didn't react to it too early. Quick enough. Don't leave me in video. Take me with you. I'm back. Oh, this looks better. Looked better. It's gone. That's what looked better. Yes, yeah, it's gone. Here's your entry. I mean, it's not gone. It could still come back, but 400 would have been the spot. Um, and Vegas got the best risk to reward if I can. need 20 cents. We just need 20 cents. Like, yes, it might not sound like a lot, but 30 cents makes a difference. It really does. Like on the stop and how fast you get to your risk reward. Things kind of go. It just has to look. I want to chase it. I really do not want to chase it. Why is Peter so sad? Peter's not sad. Peter's just still looking at a Tesla and why he didn't take the trade. It's like, oh, Peter's on mute now. Peter's still on mute.
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, there we go.
Microphone. Microphone is going out again. I don't understand why my microphone keeps crapping out on me.
Let's see.
There. Okay. Microphone should be back.
Yeah, we got you now.
It's
Okay. Okay. PLTR can still be long. I don't know. Yeah, I think. Listen, it's only 10, 11. I think the stock can go from here to 160. It's just timing. That's all it is. Yeah, I think it'd be a great one for a high day breakout. If all the signals are there, you got a lot of bullish signals, beat up, and everything else. So I think this thing can go. It's just all about timing. But for me, it's just not one of my strategies, right? Can I go long here and try to get, a higher move? Yes, but what would I be trading, right? Even with this that don't work out, it's garbage. Even with these that don't work out, I'm comfortable with these because I know what I'm actually trading, the strategy. So if it works or not, it doesn't really matter. But the strategy itself, that's important. And Brian's honor, I knew it. I knew this thing was gonna go. Look at it there. Now we're definitely not getting into it. Thought about it. I'm struggling to get in here, and now 50 cents higher. No way. Gonna go to the high of the day. SPY did a fake out. SPY did some weird stuff. Look at the fake out on the SPY. This is kind of why I hesitated. This is a nice, gentle red candle here. Now, like I'm not going in. It's gonna go down. Look at right back up. No, we're going higher. And Nvidia, of course, wiggling its tail and following very happily to the high of day 182.96. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. What a great trade. Oh, all right, let's see what else. Wait, 400? We do 500 count. How the likes, friends? How we doing? 293, almost. Close.
Carlos, Nvidia turned and burned.
Yeah. Yes, awesome. Awesome trade. And I thought about it, but it got away from me too quickly. It gave me not a chance to jump in it where I wanted it. Pretty good issue was, so took off. Took off. That didn't last. Continuations are such a big issue on some of these takers to move. Look at this drop here. Like it makes no sense. I mean, I'm not trying to justify it. Nothing has to make sense in the market, but it's just what are you doing? Staying in the 5 minute range. Look at the 5 minute.
Fuck me, man.
The ugliness. The 1 minute looks great, but the 5 minutes just messy. Oh, man. No, I haven't turned it on yet. Let me see. Do we have? I haven't turned it on yet. The funded account. So not yet. You? Get the high of the day, 395.56. Is going right to it. Or we Tesla also nice, trying to get to the high of the day as well. LTR. Oh, how beautiful is that? Look at that. It's gonna go. New high of the day on PLTR, friends. And a lot of you guys took that with Andrew as well. So good job. Looks like it wants to get going here.
Tesla back at high of day.
Yeah, everything is going. Everything is north. Everything is north. Stocks don't want to be down, man. These stocks want to just go up and up. It's just a war, no problem. There's no problems. Up, just go up. Like this market is just insane, man. It's just the way it is. Up and up. More money in. Higher. I has struggled though at 696. Really come up here a couple of times and that's not been able to break that. There we go. Every time it goes down here, every event brings it down here, finds a way to make its way back to our all-time highs. And here it's trying. It is trying. How are the travel companies doing, by the way? American Airlines did drop a little bit, but nothing too crazy yet. Delta, uh, a little weakness. You guys saw the article on American United Airlines. United Airlines is making some changes to their agreements for passengers. So now, if they snuck it in there. So if you don't wear your headphones when you're playing a video or any kind of movie or something, they can kick you off the plane and ban you from flying with United Airlines. I get that. There's some obnoxious people making a video loud. Put your headphones on. I don't want to hear what you're hearing. Put your headphones on. So the one issue I see is the kids. The kids are a problem because my kids don't like wearing headphones, So hey, listen, when we got a couple of hours to go, I'm giving them pulling out all the tools I can, tablet, this and that. So, hey, kick off my kid. What are you gonna do? Like, I guess you can have it at a reasonable volume. Um, but that's the only reason why someone should have something out loud. An adult should not have anything out loud. Like, get it together. Oh, they do. They do have that policy. I didn't know that. Well, United Airlines didn't have it. They some deck looks like that. Okay, so it's tough to constrain a kid. So kids on planes are the worst, and I'm saying it as a parent. It's tough. Constrain a little kid on that seat for a couple of hours. It's not easy. I bring out all the tools, man. Apple, candy, whatever. And then I stage it right now all at once. I stage it out, and that has worked so far. Whip? No, man. My parents do that. We used to get whipped. Like I can't do that now. Go to jail, man. This ain't the 80s or 90s, man. You can't whip your kid.
Whoa.
We used to get whipped, man. My parents and I was just like, look, we grew up fine. My brother's the guy's PhD is doing very well. My other brother's an aircraft mechanic making tons of dollars, working for rich billionaires. We did very well. The whooping worked. It works, especially growing up here in the city, New York City.
Wilson worked.
It
Wow.
works, Peter. And again, you can't. No, Trump is in power, so you can't cancel me. You know, Democrats come on board, you cancel me. But now you can't cancel me that easily. But it worked. Like, and I don't with my kids. My parents, they do regret. You know, he's like, oh, it was a different type of mentality back then. When we were like certain age, they stopped. They say the ministers and stop whipping us. But it worked, Peter, because we were tough. 3 boys, we were tough. 2 years apart each. Growing up in the city, we wanted to do things like my parents said. My father one time whipping my butt, saying, "I am not going to raise no delinquent here in the United States of America." Bah, bah, bah. Go to bed. It worked. It worked. But yeah, you can't do that now. Can't do that now. Now it was not abuse beating, right? It's different type of beatings. Our beating was not abuse beating. It was beating, get your shit together, right? It was not black eye punch you in the face type stuff. This is a line. But yeah, it worked.
Wow, Tesla really sort of went back to the high of days. See, this is why you got to listen to the Atlas. So again, I was feeling weak, that it was weak, but the Atlas is saying that there are orders to the top side, and look, it was absolutely correct.
Yeah. Wow.
Catching up in the comments, yeah. All right, so yeah. Hashtag whip now. We can Dude,
Let's not push it now. Let's
all, all the other we did very well the whole entire show with all the Nvidia stuff and all the comments and getting the algo going, like, yeah, promote these guys who doing Nvidia, they're talking about stocks and this and that. Now the algorithm says this
let's
channel
run it now.
just completely bad. Don't promote it to anyone. You guys better hit that thumbs up, 'cause that's the only way we're gonna get promotion here. If you guys hit the thumbs up. We're sitting at 316. Oh my goodness. Let's get it 400. Tell the algo that at least we do something.